Yo, what's up, YouTube? Um, I don't really, have any words to say. Um, Nothing to explain this, but um, yeah. First of all, happy holidays. I know it's like 2 days. When I post, it's probably gonna be a week. Um, from Christmas, but just let me know down in the comments below how your Christmas went, and eventually, when I post this, it'll probably be New Year's. So just let me know how your New Year's went, what you did. I'll look in the comments, whatever. But anyways, this video is me technically, well, I'm going to Florida for a week. That's what this video is about. And so yeah, I'm leaving at I'm leaving at 6 tonight. Hold on. Okay, so I'm leaving at 6 tonight. But yeah, I'm leaving at 6. I'm leaving at 6 to go to Florida. And so basically what we got going on is I'm over here at my cousin's house. So we have my stuff right here. I still gotta pack up some more of these clothes I'm not bringing over here. But yeah, today's video is
I'm SpongeBob.
Me taking a trip to Florida, pretty much. So when I wake up, hopefully, if I go to sleep, I'm going to record it, and then yeah, y'all see the whole, yeah, y'all see everything. But this is my first YouTube video back for a while again, because I can explain. I just have literally nothing to do, like, ever, or to ever record about. So I'm just kind of just like sitting here waiting for like the perfect like moment to record a video. You know what I'm saying? Like that perfect, just like that perfect moment to record a video. And I'm spending like a whole week in Florida, so why not have it be like a great time to record a video? I'm gonna be a week out in Florida with the cousins, you know? It's gonna be funny, it's gonna be fun. Yeah, I'm glad to be back. For a very short time, because this is gonna be the only video I'm probably gonna post in like forever. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna finish packing. Yeah, and I also forgot to mention, started posting videos on this YouTube channel back in high school, my senior year of high school. I already graduated. This is literally me graduating. This is however long the videos were made, I graduated now. And it's kind of embarrassing to say. Sin City wasn't made for you. But I have a lot of explaining to do. Hopefully I start working soon. Could do a lot more things with the boys and stuff. But yeah, I haven't been really doing much recently or anything fun enough to record and post my YouTube channel. That's the whole reason why I haven't been posting or anything. I know. But it will get there. I will become consistent for y'all. I know I'm not consistent now, but I'm trying. It's hard. It's hard. I should to understand the pain and struggle.
Emotional, damn it!
I go through, man. Alright, that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough of everything. I'm gonna see y'all back when I get up or get ready to leave to go on a trip. Road trip. 18 hours to Florida. We're making 2 stops. No, 1 stop. We're gonna drive there halfway, stop, probably sleep, and then drive the rest the next day. So we should end up there Sunday morning, give or take. Sunday morning. Also, got that haircut before I left. You know, barbers always do me right. But Yeah. So this is the part of the video where I take a shower and wait almost exactly 2 hours to leave. 2 hours to leave. Okay, well, almost an hour. Shower done. It's 5:01. We have exactly an hour before we leave. It may be technically 59 minutes, but the time has come. We're leaving. All right. Me and the boys. Or we touched down at the hotel. We got another 6-ish hour drive ahead of us, if I remember correctly. But yeah. Let's see, yo, we are about to enter Florida. So we've been in Florida for 3 days now, and I haven't even, first of all, I haven't even given a B&B tour or a just general area tour. But yeah, but we're gonna go fishing today. I don't know what else we're doing today and tomorrow, but we come back Saturday. So yeah, let's go out there and see. I think we're ready to leave now. Oh wait, the fit. Hold on, let's see the fit. The fishing fit, tight. It's just a fishing fit, so calm down. And I gotta do a little, I went thrifting, so get to do a little bit of that. Like a little thrifting haul or whatever. Alright, so, yeah. Where were you going, Justice? I'm coming with you. Alright, so while I'm at it, we're gonna do a little room tour of the room, or the B&B room, B&B tour, whatever, I don't know. Don't mind our room. This is the room. Second room. The bathroom.
Why? You guys all have the same color shirt on. The three of you.
The living room.
Yeah, we're all matching.
Hold on, I gotta get to the best part, the balcony. Shoo! Look at that view, the yacht coming in too. But this is our view. And we have one more bedroom, but there's somebody in it. Yep, that's that. Going to the car. Yeah, there we go. Bro, I hate you, dog. Look at the fit though, bro. Fit's tough. The fishing fit's tough, dog. Oh yeah, it's all the way over there, dog. Oh wait, you talking about this car? Cause mom's car's over there. Dude, it's actually chilly. It feels good here. It's in the other car. Alright. Seriously?
Yeah.
What's this is this is what y'all used to y'all bought shrimp? Word.
Bro. I have to go all the way back up.
Yeah. Dude, what bag are you looking for? The beach one?
Yeah.
I don't.
I don't know where that is.
Yeah. Oh wait, I think it is upstairs.
Really?
Yeah. I realized that as soon as we got down here. Oh, duh.
It's about cold as hell.
It could be a lot worse. We could be in New Jersey right now.
Yeah, how about puppy jacket?
with the ski or something. Oh,
It's for people that live here that have what's it called? Thin blood and stuff. So they're like used to the sun.
yeah.
It's definitely
Dude, I need to shave.
way colder for them.
Yeah, right. Cause like mom's mom was talking about. It's because their blood gets thinner. So. Cue the elevator music and. Wait, hold on. We're not gonna cue the elevator music yet. Now we cue the elevator music.
The picture like this.
Alright, brother.
You walk to the front, but didn't open yet. Do you guys? Oh.
He said, boo. Oh, nah. I should have recorded that. It was so hilarious, bro. Alright, we're on a boat. He's tired. Look at this view. First time on a boat.
Something wrong with you?
What? It's documented, bro.
Why? You're not YouTuber. You're not making it.
I am.
You're
Look, certified hater. D1 hater right here.
I'm recording your YouTube account.
You're a D1 hater.
You can record it.
Pelicans. Alright. Bro, this is devious. Anything for YouTube. Dude. Wow. This is insane, bro. We didn't even start fishing yet. I just can't wait till we get a fish on. Justin, you gonna get your fish on. You gonna be like, fish on! He's like, I don't want to do. He said, I don't want to do this no more.
Dude, last time we went out, you
said-
were like that.
He said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy. Okay.
Dude, that's insane. Bro. Holy. Dude, we can still see the shore. I feel like that boat is following us. That's insane. First time on the ocean.
This is your first time?
Yeah. My mom.
Yo, Captain, turn up the speed.
This is like
Your first
my
time.
mom thought like we thought of going on a boat before, like back in New Jersey, but like the waves in New Jersey, bro. Have you been on a boat in New Jersey?
Yeah.
Dude. It's probably worse here, isn't it? Woo! That one was a big one. The big dip.
What do you mean by that?
Big Dipper. Big Dipper.
Yeah, I should not start that. So another.
Dude. We're doing it, bro. I really like these sunglasses, dog.
Huh?
I said I like these sunglasses. Watch where you're putting your elbow, man. Wow! Dude, that's insane. Dude, oh my gosh. There's literally dolphins like right over here. Dolphins are like, I don't even know.
You're watching and their head comes up and
Yeah.
take a breath.
That's great. Probably. We're about to pass the water line where the color of the water changes.
Right here.
That's it. I always saw that for like the fisherman YouTubers and stuff, but like, I never. That's sick. That's sort of like the. Dude, that is sick. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Oh, that's where that is. W. Now we're in the cool deep water. Huh? Wow. Alright, we just started fishing. The lines are out. Pretty wildly. Oh, look! He caught something.
But look at yours, this is pretty tight.
Yeah.
This one they keep for songs.
Nice.
Lane snapper.
Woo! Alright, so I got a rod out. Just my cousin has two. Yo, Justice! My rod out. I just got a little spinner. I'm gonna show you when I get back, bring it back in. But the waves right now, we just had like 3 boats go by. Got somebody people on a pedal board or whatever. Yeah, that's how this goes. So, yeah. And my cousin got some shrimp that some local fishermen got. And this is the last day before we go back to New Jersey. I didn't record a lot, but yeah, that's what it is. But there will be more times where I get more opportunities like this. So, yeah, I'm gonna reel this rod in and show y'all the rods. The shrimp we have are in here that we use. They're pretty cool. Fish local fisherman gave us. These are some huge shrimp. Here, let me try to pull one out. I got pinched by these little suckers. These guys hurt. Let's see if I can try to pull one out. Like, oh no. He's underneath in the kayak. Oh no, he's not. No, he's not. He's just these guys right here. It's so sick. I have one trolling behind me, just live. I stuck it right through the back. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting little fellas. That's fishing. Dude, these shrimp are so cool. Got a little shrimp on, better throw it out, and we're gonna head back to shore. Do a little bit of trolling. A little bit of trolling with a little shrimp. Yo, there's a shark over there, and I got a shrimp on the back. Oh nah, I don't. Unless that's a dolphin, I don't know. It might be a dolphin. Oh. Yeah, I think it's a dolphin. Unfortunately, we didn't get any bites. I don't know if my cousin did. He's still out there. Still out there. But we had like fish jumping around us and stuff, but we had one snook that we didn't catch. But yeah, that's that. That was the fishing trip. Kind of bummed I didn't catch anything or get any bites. Oh well. Now I don't know what we're gonna do now, so I'm gonna see what we're doing. Well, anyways, YouTube, that concludes this video. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm home now. That was this whole video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. I post my notes and my stories daily. Well, try to post daily. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let's get this video to 50 likes if we can. And see ya. Peace.